Sometimes figuring out noises on a car isn't always straightforward. I started hearing a tick coming from the driver's side, and lo and behold, right there, get my finger where you can point to it, and oh, there it is, right there. Doink, 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 doink. That should be a header bolt right there. So I was getting this tick coming out from this side. That header bolt was gone, and looking at that other one, I put a wrench on it and twisted it, and it was loose. I tightened these other ones and they were okay, so it was just those two that worked their way out. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that back one down. I'll see if I have another header bolt laying around. If not, I gotta order one, and then I'm gonna go to the other side and tighten all those down.